That is not a bee.
He's a big dude.
And they have pollen on them too.
Yeah,
Can you see
look
that
at legs.
little orange?
They're heavy with it.
Yeah, that one's got like a bunch of stuff on it up there. Pollens.
That's pretty cool.
No, not a flower. Get off.
Oh,
It has
cute.
that much juice in it.
Hold on.
Oh, that's a pretty.
Say it again.
Bluejay.
Here's the fox den right back down in there.
Sure is.
Can you see it?
Oh.
And as dry as it is, it's probably habited.
Poison ivy.
That is a very healthy stand of poison ivy.
3 leaves, no
Leaves of 3, let them be. Why is that important to walk around with your booty in the air when you are an ant?
Oh, it's just caterpillars. But they're not in there anymore. It looks like somebody else laid eggs here.
Oh, no kidding. Very geometric, isn't it? Wow, it is interesting.
I'm a 4-leaf clover connoisseur. I can find them easy. Oh, hello, little spider.